So the name of my company is Shelby Shoes. Let your soul decide. Let both of your soul decides the perfect footwear. As you can see, any business have its setbacks and the business may have its low point, you know, but women love shopping and it's a kind of mood changer for them. So no outfit is complete without the perfect pair of footwear, but so many women settle for just one or two of them. But now at Shelby Shoes, both the struggle and hustle will end. Our line of designer shoes will have removable heels that transforms in a matter of seconds. It will have two heels, like one is basically a fashion one, thinner heel that will be of customer's choice, and the other heel will be quite thicker. As I have studied and research shows that thicker heels provide less back pain and they doesn't cause much back pain or foot pain. So you can see my design also, which is clearly visible. Like you can see the first heel has been removed and a thicker heel can be put into that sole. You know? Like when women are quite exhausted or they want to have some kind of give some kind of rest to their foot, they can simply put this thick heel. The company's vision is confidence and comfort. Why women have to sacrifice their comfort while having confidence? So they must have both of them. My company's goal will be the short term goals will be use the quality of the product and advertising soon to become very well known throughout the country, and our long term goals will be to expand the business to other locations. Strategies I'll discuss it later in the later slides, as I want to give more attention to it. Let's quickly have a SWOT analysis. The strength is its unique USP. You can see it's a kind of different design, you know, and we are going to provide it at a reasonable prices as it's clearly for the Indian markets. The weakness is it's a new business, it's a startup you can say, and it has no reputation, but we'll build one for sure. The opportunity is that it has very less competition in India, almost no competition. The threats, of course, it's a manufacturing business, so threats are its labor cost, and I don't want to manufacture my products through machines. I want to increase the employment in our country. What sets us apart? What is my USP? It's detachable heels, the dual purpose product at affordable prices. It will be easy to carry. I'll give such a packaging to my customers so they can carry it easily. So they should not have any issue while carrying it. It will have exclusive designer wear, and this product will be a customized footwear. As you can see, there are people who have doesn't have the similar or you can say similar foot size, so they can have a customized forma or you can say customized footwear for them. I've also mentioned its manufacturing process. You can quickly give it a glance. I've also mentioned the material required, that what will be the shoe last is the shoe shape of the footwear. Okay. The main thing, that is the project cost. We are working on its raw material, but on its estimate basis, we'll start our production with 40,000 raw material, piece of 40,000. That will produce 80, that will have a 80 per piece cost. And the capital of the business that I want is 3 lakh rupees, in which fixed capital is 1 lakh 50,000, in which there are two essential machines, that is a straw bill presser machine and a leather cutting machine. I want to keep it a labor intensive technique, but still we need two essential machines that will be required in our manufacturing. The profit margin I have decided is up to 15% for sure. The market size, you can see that Indian footwear industry contributes 9% of the annual global production, and the import duty on footwear is 35% in India. But it's a good chance for us as the footwear, the import duty have been decreased, so that's a quite opportunity for us. And my target audience is working women of India. The marketing strategies is, as you can see, everything is on online, है ना? Like you can manufacture a product, but if the world doesn't know about it, it's of no use. So I want to use social media as my weapon, so to display my product. So we'll hire some well-known influencers on the Instagram reels. The reviews of our top 50 customers will be shared on our website to gain customers trust. And we'll motivate the new customers by giving additional benefits such as free gifts, cash discounts, and design your own shoe technique, which will attract the our audience. And milestones is that I want to focus on my manufacturing and displaying the products in the storefront. Like, my first strategy is a sales strategy. I want to hire some highly visible uh, stores in the malls or renowned stores, and which I can and through which I can show my products. And I will focus on my revenues that will exceed, obviously, for the COGS. And I've already mentioned that my profit margin will be up to 15%. Growth opportunity is that government has hiked import duty on footwear from 25 to 35%, and this can help us that we don't that our company will not have a much global competition. Like, there are some companies who are doing this idea, but because of this import duty, will not have to compete with other brands. And we'll for sure we'll try that we'll get some financial support under Mudra Yojana scheme, which helps women entrepreneurs. And we doesn't ignore the social message that Shelby Shoes is concerned about environmental issues and promotes recycling. So the packaging of the footwear is made out of recycled plastic. On the purchase of footwear Shelby Shoes, 7% of its MRP goes towards the noble cause of educating the underprivileged. So my aim is not only to gain profits, but also to have to increase employment in the country and have some social